Here I'm cutting out the panels for the storage unit for the side sliding door. The length, width and depth of the unit is calculated to take 2 containers wide by 5 containers high. The containers I use are from IKEA. I'll put a link in the description. I'm using 3/4 inch ply and pre-drilling and screwing the panels together. Now I'm cutting the back panel for the unit. I'm checking the diagonals to make sure the unit is square before I screw the back on. Now I'm cutting the shelves out for the unit. Just like the shelves I made in the workbench, I'm cutting halfway and then squaring off with a chisel. This is an excellent way to make really strong shelf unit. To secure the shelves. The shelves are made from 1/2 inch plywood. It's important to pre-drill, otherwise the plywood would split apart from the screws. I'm using 4mm wide screws. Really should have moved things out of my way here, pure lazy. Now I'm securing the unit to the bulkhead and floor with some Tek screws. I'm cutting some 3x2 timber here to make support for the unit. This will be fixed to the supports in the roof and then down to the unit. I'm using some Tech screws here. I'm tightening as far as I can with a spanner. Then I use the Tech driver bit from the drill and tightening the screws with that using a vice grips. I don't know what I was thinking doing it like this. I really should have just drilled a bigger hole to allow me to put the driver bit through. It worked, I suppose, but it took a while. This support is screwed from both sides. Now I'm screwing the upright to the top support and I'm screwing the unit into the upright. Last thing is to fit the shelf stops. Here is the finish unit. I use this unit for storing tools and parts I don't use that regularly. I also store my key blanks in this. I'm really happy with how it turned out and how sturdy it is. Stay tuned for the final part.